Hey, it's Sam with Just Grillin' Outdoor Living. Today, we're going to be comparing two pellet grills, the Myron Mixon BARQ 1700 and the Yoder Smokers YS640 Pellet Grill. In this video, we're going to go through the features and benefits of each one, but it's not to tell you you should buy this one or you should buy that one. That's always going to be a decision you have to make. We're going to focus on a few key comparison points to give better insight of each grill. What we're going to look at and compare is build quality, cooking space, the controller and app, ease of upkeep, grill cart features, and warranty. I do want to point out that both pellet grills are store demo models, so they're going to be dirty when we're exploring them today. The reason we picked both of these is because each is a premium pellet grill and both models retail for the same price point, or at least they do at the time that we made this video. Starting with build quality, both grills are made in the US. Yoder Smokers are made in Kansas and Myron Mixon Smokers are made in Connecticut. The cooking body on the Yoder is made from a 10-gauge steel that's painted. Over time, the paint will wear but can easily be touched up. The Myron Mixon Smoker's cook chamber is a double-walled stainless steel. The remainder of the exterior is a high-temp powder-coated finish. Both grills are fully welded and seal very tightly to ensure no leakage and consistent temperatures. Both grills are very well constructed, and while each is different, I'm confident that you would be very happy with either. It's a toss-up really based on individual preference for this category. The cook bodies on each grill are shaped differently. The Yoder is not a rounded barrel, but it is not a full box style either. The Myron Mixon follows suit for his entire line of cookers, which is a box style to help maximize cooking space. Many of his smokers are designed with commercial applications in mind, so you can fit full restaurant style pans in them. On the Yoder, you get 1,070 square inches of cooking space. The Myron Mixon provides 1,700 square inches of cooking space, 600 square inches more than the Yoder. If cooking space is the most important aspect of the grill, the Myron Mixon Smokers has the advantage here. In 2019, Yoder released their ACS Wi-Fi and Bluetooth controller. New for 2020-2021 is a Wi-Fi controller on the Myron Mixon. The controller you see on the Myron unit here is a conversion kit we installed, as this was an original grill with their first edition controller. On new models, this controller is built into the hopper and flush with the unit. Without going into extreme detail, Yoder's ACS controller uses a powerful microprocessor that helps deliver precision results. The Myron uses a PID controller, which is also a very good controller, but not as advanced as Yoder's custom-made controller. Yoder's controller and app has more capabilities and features to use. You can also cook between 150 and 600 degrees. With the new Wi-Fi PID controller on the Myron, you can do basic functions in the app. More features are coming, but it is not as robust as Yoder's at the moment. You can cook between 180 and 450 degrees on the Myron. If controller features and the temperature range is the most important aspect of the grill, the Yoder has the advantage here. Moving on to the ease of upkeep, aka cleaning. This topic is a bit more subjective because everyone's level of care and upkeep is different. With pellet grills in general, the biggest thing is regularly vacuuming the ash and periodically cleaning grease from the diffuser plate and other areas where it builds up. This kind of goes back to the difference in the cook bodies of the grill. The metal on the Yoder over time is more susceptible to rust. It's not a defect or makes the cooker any less quality. These grills just aren't designed to be backyard beauty queens. With some simple routine maintenance, this can easily be avoided. The stainless on the Myron Mixon is not as susceptible to rust, but stainless steel is susceptible over time to discoloring. This would be more evident on the inside versus the outside. In terms of upkeep, I'd give the advantage in this category to the Myron Mixon. Rather than going through the differences and then saying which grill has the advantage, I'll say this one is really a toss-up. Each grill and cart has their own features that have great value. I'll start with the differences and then talk about the features they share in common. Yoder makes two styles of carts for their pellet grills. The competition cart, which we're looking at here, is designed for easy mobility and trailer loading with tie downs. Even if you're not moving it around much, the color just looks nice. The standard cart is great for getting storage underneath. The grill also has a removable smokestack. You can point this down to help keep more smoke in the cooking chamber. The Myron Mixon cart has a shelf underneath the grill. The smoke exhausts in the rear vent, which helps pull cold air out of the grill and allows smoke to circulate in the chamber. It also features a pellet changeout, which makes it very easy to change the pellet flavor between cooks or just empty out the hopper. Both grills feature 20-pound pellet hoppers. The BARQ and Yoder comp cart come with full stainless front and side shelves. The standard Yoder grills come with a wired stainless front and side shelf. That's the easiest way to go over the similarities and differences. Depending on what features matter to you, would really be which grill has the edge in this category. Due to the differences in metal construction of the cook bodies, each grill has a different warranty. Yoder offers 10 years on the cook body, 3 years on the controller, and 3 years on the igniter. The Myron offers 3 years on the cook body and 2 years on the controller. That's a high-level overview of each of these grills. We've now touched on 6 main areas, so you can see where each grill really shines. The purpose was not to go into every single detail, because frankly, we'd be here for a lot longer if we did that. If you have further questions about each grill, leave them in the comments section below, give us a call, or stop in to talk to one of our grilling experts. We hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you at the store soon.